Look, I get it. Starting a fitness journey can feel super intimidating, especially if you don't have a gym membership or fancy equipment. But honestly, you don't need any of that. Today, I'm breaking down 5 simple moves you can do right in your living room to get your blood flowing and feel stronger. Let's get moving. Number 1. Jumping jacks, the heart starter. First up, we're going with the classic jumping jacks. It's the perfect way to wake up your body. Just stand tall, jump your feet out, and swing those arms up like you're reaching for the ceiling. Aim for about 15 to 20 reps just to get that heart rate up. A jumping jack, also known as a star jump and called a side straddle hop in the U.S. military, is a physical jumping exercise performed by jumping to a position with the legs spread wide. Pro tip: try to land softly on the balls of your feet. Your knees and your downstairs neighbors will thank you. Number 2. Wall sit, the leg burner. Next, find a wall for some wall sits. This one looks easy, but trust me, you'll feel the burn. Lean your back against the wall and slide down until it feels like you're sitting in an invisible chair. Try to hold it for 20 or 30 seconds. Surface: wall sits can seem pretty basic. After all, you're just squatting against a wall. But as soon as you get into position, you'll start to feel the burn in your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. This exercise has several benefits, including 1. Builds abs and back muscles. Wall sits are great for core strength. A strong core, muscles in your abdomen, pelvis, and lower back, supports your spine and may reduce lower back pain. When you do wall sits, you use your core muscles to hold yourself steady, says Dr. Justin. This position helps you build the muscles in your abs, sides, and back. 2. Burns fat cardio isn't the only way to slim down. Muscle-building exercises can help rev up your metabolism so you burn more body fat. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, even at rest, she explains. 3. Doesn't require equipment. Don't have exercise bands, weights, or other fitness equipment? No problem. All you need is your body and a stable wall, Dr. Justin states. You can do wall sits any time of day, like during a work break. Pro tip: if it gets tough, don't hold your breath. Keep taking deep breaths and keep those hands off your knees. Number 3. Modified push-ups, upper body basics, 2 to 240. Now let's work the upper body with modified push-ups. Drop to your knees. There's zero shame in that. It's how we all start. Keep your hands shoulder width apart and lower yourself down slowly. Try to knock out 10 to 15 of these. The benefits of modified push-ups include being less intimidating and having similar benefits to traditional push-ups. There are various reasons to do modified push-ups, and in my case, it is because I damaged my wrist in a soccer injury and had to have it surgically repaired. Pro tip: keep your back flat. Imagine there's a straight line from your head to your knees. No 4. Glute bridge, lower back love. Time to hit the floor for glute bridges. This is amazing if you spend a lot of time sitting at a desk. Lie on your back, knees bent, and just lift your hips toward the sky. Give your glutes a good squeeze at the top, then lower back down. 12 to 15 reps is the sweet spot here. Pro tip: push through your heels, not your toes, to really feel it in the right places. Number 5. Seated knee lifts, core control. Last one, we're doing seated knee lifts. Grab a chair, sit up nice and tall, and simply lift one knee at a time toward your chest. It's low impact, but great for your core. Go for 10 to 15 reps on each leg. Pro tip: don't rush these. The slower you go, the harder your abs have to work. And that's it. 5 simple moves, no excuses. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to start. Stick with this a few times a week, and I promise you're going to feel the difference in your energy levels. If you found this helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Let me know in the comments which move was your favorite. See you in the next one.